The 2020 wildfires ravaged communities across Oregon.
Smoke was just black. It was so hard to breathe.
Shyla James lives in Molalla with her daughter and remembers the evacuations.
We only could take our goats and our horses over to the Clackamas County Fair, and we were the last to return after about 2 weeks.
By then, their home was damaged beyond repair.
So it was pretty traumatic. It was pretty upsetting and shocking, not knowing what to do.
That's when Shyla heard from the Clackamas County Long-Term Recovery Group.
Our mission as volunteers is to support, rebuild, and recover the community here of Clackamas County.
Volunteer Pat Olson says the group formed 2 years ago. It's funded largely by private businesses and nonprofits and serves as a lifeline in the wake of the 2020 wildfires.
So our help includes actual home building, and I call it soup to nuts, all the way from permitting, working through land use.
They rebuilt Shyla's home from the ground up in about 8 months on the same property her old home used to be.
So it's been almost 2 years since we were living in our home.
Thanks to the Clackamas County Long-Term Recovery Group, Shyla and her daughter have a place to call home again in their beloved community.
And I have relatives all around. I grew up here, over 50 first cousins. My family came in the 1800s, escaped from communism in Poland. So it's really neat history, and we're thankful to be able to stay here.
Now, this is the second home the group has helped rebuild since the 2020 wildfires and currently putting finishing touches to a third one.